TVJ Sports understands that local swimming's governing body, the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, is yet to fulfill the recommendation of the Disciplinary Committee in the matter of Rory Alvaranga against Wendy Lee and Georgia Sinclair. Jordan Fort tells us more.
The recommendation follows a complaint that Coach Wendy Lee, who was national team coach at the time, supported by ASAJ Vice President Georgia Sinclair, declined to make arrangements for Alvaranga's athlete to have a time trial during the 2019 CC Can Swim Championships in Barbados. The three-member committee, which included Chief Justice Brian Sykes, recommended that a letter of reprimand be posted on the ASAJ website, as well as a written apology sent to the swimmer. But checks on the website up to Sports Time show no postings of the written reprimand, while TVJ Sports understands that the swimmer is yet to receive a written apology. According to the report from the hearing, Coach Lee did not seek permission for the swimmer to do a time trial during the meet, despite knowing of the request from Coach Alvaranga. But the swimmer was not entered in the relays. According to the report, Coach Lee took the view that it was unacceptable for the swimmer to be able to do a time trial while at the same time not making herself available to swim on the relay team for Jamaica. According to the report, Coach Lee thought that it was unethical for her to pursue the matter any further. This because Coach Alvaranga had copied the head referee in the email asking her to use her post as head coach to allow the swimmer to do the time trial. Coach Lee, according to the report, thought Coach Alvaranga was attempting to influence the decision in his favor by copying the head referee. But the committee concluded that despite that reasoning, it should not have prevented Coach Lee from asking for a time trial for the swimmer. The report says that the coach should not have acted in a way that could potentially prevent the swimmer from attaining qualifying times for subsequent meets. The report also said that the Articles of Association of the ASAJ need urgent revision, saying that the disciplinary process needs to be brought in line with modern disciplinary hearing practices. It also said that Mrs. Sinclair, it appears, did not have the authority to overrule the decision. She did not misuse or abuse her authority, and so no sanction can be imposed. The 11-page report is dated April 4, 2023. The committee is the same one which recommended a 10-year suspension for Coach Alvaranga from the sport after a physical altercation which took place last year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
In the meantime,